Hi, welcome to HM Guidance. Today we are discussing Food Safety Officer Kerala PSC exam previous year question paper which was conducted in 2015. First of all, the total marks will be 100 and the time duration will be 1 hour and 15 minutes. So let's move on to the questions. First question. Consumption of raw soya beans can be harmful to health because of the presence of following anti-nutritional factor. Options: A. Phytic acid, B. Tannins, C. Oxalates, D. Trypsin inhibitor. Answer is D. Trypsin inhibitor. Second question. In a standard fruit jam preparation, the content of total soluble solids should not be less than A. 68% weight by weight, B. 45%, C. 65%, D. 70%. The answer is A. 68%. Third question. The safe level of irradiation for foods which presents no toxicological hazard is A. 5.0 kilograms, B. 10.0 kilograms, C. 7.0 kilograms, D. 25.0 kilograms. The answer is B. 10.0 kilograms. The fourth question is, subjecting rice to higher degree of polishing is associated with following: A. Better nutritional density and easy digestibility, B. Better glycemic index and suitability for diabetes, C. Lowered nutritional and better cooking characteristics, D. Higher bioavailable nutrients and lowered sensory quality. The answer is C. Lowered nutritional and better cooking characteristics. Then fifth question, the browning occurring in cut apples in aeration is due to the presence of A. Polyphenolases, B. Oxidoreductases, C. Polymeric oxidases, D. Polyhydrogenases. The answer is A. Polyphenolases. Sixth question, FSSAI stands for. It's a very simple question. I am just reading the answer. The answer is B. Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. Seventh question. Identify the correct group of stimulating constituents present in tea. A. Theobromine, triphenylene, catechol. B. Caffeine, tricantanol, trimethylamine. C. Theonitrile, caffeicol, theophylline. D. Caffeine, theobromine, theophylline. The answer is D. Caffeine, theobromine, theophylline. Eighth question. Acceptable daily intake level of additives is derived from following. Options: A. No observed adverse effect level of compound and uncertainty factor. B. Level at which toxicity may not occur in humans. C. Levels likely to be used in foods. D. Chemical nature of the compound. The answer is A. No observed adverse effect level of compound and uncertainty factor. Ninth question. Identify the cluster of essential fatty acids for human from the following. A. Myristic, arachidonic and capric acids. B. Linolenic, linoleic and arachidonic acid. C. Stearic, malic and acetic acid. D. Linolenic, stearic and cholic acid. The answer is B. Linolenic, linoleic and arachidonic acid. 10th question. Aseptic packaging refers to. Options: A. Use of sterile packaging containers. B. Heating the food to make it sterile and then pack. C. Packaging sterile foods in sterile atmosphere in sterile packaging. D. Using ultra high temperature for processing. The answer is C. Packaging sterile food in sterile atmosphere in sterile packaging. 11th question. The latest indicator organism for proper pasteurization is A. Coxiella burnetii, B. Mycobacterium tuberculosis, C. Bacillus anthracis, D. FMD virus. The answer is A. Coxiella burnetii. 12th question. Rasgulla is prepared using A. Paneer, B. Channa, C. Goa, D. Condensed milk. The answer is B. Channa. 13th question. Aseptic packaging is used after which among the following processing method? A. Pasteurization, B. UST pasteurization, C. Freezing, D. Drying. The answer is B. UST pasteurization. 14th question. The water percentage of cow milk is approximately A. 80%, B. 90%, C. 87%, D. 50%. The answer is C. 87%. 15th question. Which among the following practice reduces the occurrence of mastitis? A. Feeding concentrate, B. Urea molasses lick, C. Teat dipping, D. Automatic water bowl. The answer is C. Teat dipping. 16th. Which among the following is used to test fat in milk? A. Lactometer, B. Anemometer, C. CRO, D. Milko tester. The answer is D. Milko tester. 17th one. The bacterial culture used to prepare yogurt contains Streptococcus thermophilus and options A. Lactobacillus bulgaricus, B. Yersinia enterocolitica, C. Alkaligenous viscolactis, D. Escherichia coli. The answer is A. Lactobacillus bulgaricus. 18th question. Which among the following is used to sterilize milk cans in dairies? A. Steam, B. Iodophore solution, C. Autoclaving, D. All the above. The answer is D. All the above. 19th. The base material for preparing Shrikant is A. Chakka, B. Channa, C. Curd, D. Cheese. The answer is A. Chakka. 28th one. Outlines of Dairy Technology is written by A. Jagadish Prasad, B. NSR Shastri, C. Sukumar De, D. Tufail Ahmad. The answer is C. Sukumar De. 21. The pink color characteristic of cured meat is due to A. Myoglobin, B. Nitrosyl myoglobin, C. Hemoglobin, D. Nitrosyl hemochromogen. The answer is D. Nitrosyl hemochromogen. 22. Natural casing of sausage preparation is derived from A. Intestinal submucosa, B. Collagen, C. Intestinal mucosa, D. Cellulose. The answer is A. Intestinal submucosa. 23. PSC condition of pork is caused due to A. Short-term pre-slaughter stress, B. Chronic stress, C. Rapid decline of muscle pH, D. Both A and C. The answer is D. Both A and C. 24. The vitamin which is absent in chicken egg. A. Vitamin C, B. Vitamin B12, C. Vitamin A, D. Vitamin E. The answer is A. Vitamin C. 25. The bacterium known as terror of the deep. Terror of the deep. Due to the seafood poisoning it causes with the highest fatality rate of any foodborne bacterium. Options A. Salmonella enteritidis, B. Vibrio vulnificus, C. Vibrio parahemolyticus, D. Clostridium botulinum. The answer is B. Vibrio vulnificus. 26. The stunning method recommended for slaughter of adult cattle. A. Electric stunning, B. Penetrative captive bolt pistol, C. Carbon dioxide gas stunning, D. All of the above. The answer is B. Penetrative captive bolt pistol. 27. The dressing percentage of pigs is approximately A. 53%, B. 65%, C. 75%, D. 88%. The answer is C. 75%. 28. Dash is used for testing the effectiveness of bleeding of carcass. A. Sodium nitrate. B. Malachite green. C. Sodium ascorbate. D. All of the above. The answer is B. Malachite green. 29. The larval nematode worm seen in striated muscle of pigs infecting human beings after ingestion of such infected pork is A. Trichinella spiralis, B. Toxoplasma gondii, C. Trichuris trichuria, D. Taenia solium. The answer is A. Trichinella spiralis. 30th question. Pick out the wrong statement. A. The first transgenic cow, Rosie, produced human protein enriched milk. B. Green rot in eggs is mainly caused by Pseudomonas fluorescens. C. Bloom is the term used for preservation of meat using salt. D. Pork and poultry meat are more susceptible to rancidity as they are richer in unsaturated fatty acids than other meats. The answer is C. Bloom is the term used for preservation of meat using salt. 31st. In a complaint against several accused, if the complainant withdraws his complaint against one accused, the magistrate can A. Convict that particular accused. B. Acquit all the accused. C. Acquit the particular accused against whom the complaint is so withdrawn. D. Convict all the accused. The answer is C. Acquit the particular accused against whom the complaint is so withdrawn. 32. An application for bail under the section 438 CRPC can be filed before A. Any court, B. First class magistrate court or metropolitan court, C. Trial court, D. High court or court of session. The answer is D. High court or court of session. 33. In a trial before a court of session, prosecution shall be conducted by A. Magistrate, B. Public prosecutor, C. Amicus curiae, D. Advocate general. The answer is B. Public prosecutor. 34. Private complaint can be filed before the court under section dash of CRPC. A. 190, B. 191, C. 195, D. 313. The answer is A. 190. 35. Examination of complainant by the magistrate taking cognizance of an offence is not required if A. He is public servant, B. He is a private complainant, C. He is a doctor, D. A court has made the complaint. The answer is D. A court has made the complaint. 36. Admissibility of documents procured by illegal means under Indian Evidence Act is A. Admissible, B. Not admissible, C. Admissible if relevant and its genuineness proved, D. None of these. The answer is C. Admissible if relevant and its genuineness proved. 37. Primary evidence under Section 61 of Indian Evidence Act means A. Certified copies of documents, B. Photostat copies attested by the gazetted officer, C. Original documents produced before the court, D. None of these. The answer is C. Original documents produced before the court. 38. Unlicensed sale of food shall be punishable with A. Imprisonment up to 6 months, B. Imprisonment up to 6 months and fine up to rupees 5 lakh, C. Fine up to rupees 2 lakh, D. Imprisonment up to 1 year and fine up to rupees 10 lakhs. The answer is B. Imprisonment up to 6 months and fine up to rupees 5 lakhs. 39. Death caused due to the consumption of any food purchased from a seller is liable to be compensated with A. Not less than rupees 5 lakhs, B. Not less than rupees 10 lakhs, C. Not exceeding rupees 3 lakhs, D. Rupees 7 lakhs. The answer is not less than rupees 5 lakhs. 40. The maximum penalty to be imposed on a person who sells any food which is not in compliance with the provisions or regulations of Food Safety Act is A. Rupees 10 lakhs, B. Not exceeding rupees 2 lakhs, C. Not exceeding rupees 5 lakhs, D. Rupees 25,000. The answer is B. Not exceeding rupees 2 lakhs. 41. Energy yield per unit weight of food is known as A. Calorific value, B. Energy density, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. The answer is D. None of these. 42. RQ of fats is less than carbohydrates because A. Fats have lesser oxygen content, B. Carbohydrates have lesser oxygen content, C. Fats have higher oxygen content, D. None of these. The answer is fats have lesser oxygen content. 43. Specific dynamic action refers to A. Energy required for physical activity, B. Increased heat production following intake of food, C. Extra energy for exercising, D. Energy requirement by a person for dynamic activities. The answer is B. Increased heat production following intake of food. 44. Dash is an essential amino acid. A. Aspartic acid, B. Glutamic acid, C. Proline, D. Threonine. The answer is D. Threonine. 45. Which of the following has the lowest iodine number? A. Soybean oil, B. Cottonseed oil, C. Beef fat, D. Corn oil. The answer is C. Beef fat. 46. Scurvy can be cured by the administration of A. Folic acid, B. Glutamic acid, C. Fumaric acid, D. Ascorbic acid. The answer is D. Ascorbic acid. 47. Dietary fiber represents the following nutrient group. A. Lipids, B. Carbohydrate, C. Proteins, D. None of these. The answer is B. Carbohydrates. 48. The one which is not used as a clarifier. A. Phosphoric acid, B. Lead nitrate, C. Phosphotungstic acid, D. Lead acetate. The answer is A. Phosphoric acid. 49. Ionization technique not used in mass spectrometry. A. Fast atom bombardment, B. Field desorption, C. Laser desorption, D. Radiation. The answer is D. Radiation. 50. Inhomogeneity of flow velocities and path lengths around packing particles in column chromatography leads to A. Partition, B. Retention, C. Eddy diffusion, D. None of this. The answer is C. Eddy diffusion. 51. The protective agent used in cryopreservation of bacterial cells. A. EDTA, B. DMSO, C. SDS, D. NADP. The answer is B. DMSO. 52. Staining of specimens using uranyl acetate has been used in A. Atomic force microscope, B. Confocal scanning laser microscope, C. Transmission electron microscope, D. Phase contrast microscope. The answer is C. Transmission electron microscope. 53. Which of the following is a type of food intoxication? A. Botulism, B. Salmonellosis, C. Cholera, D. Gastroenteritis. The answer is A. Botulism. 54. Ashbia gossypi is used commercially for the production of A. L-glutamic acid, B. Invertase, C. Cyanocobalamin, D. Riboflavin. The answer is D. Riboflavin. 55. Enrichment of lakes due to high concentration of organic nutrients. The options are A. Humus formation, B. Biomagnification, C. Eutrophication, D. Nitrosification. The answer is C. Eutrophication. 56. The sanitizer commonly used for treatment of drinking water. Options: A. Sodium nitrate, B. Sodium hypochlorite, C. Sodium sorbate, D. Sodium metabisulfate. The answer is B. Sodium hypochlorite. 57. Which of the following is a semi-perishable food? A. Fish, B. Egg, C. Milk, D. Potato. The answer is D. Potato. 58. Temperature used in HTST pasteurization is options: 161 Fahrenheit, B. 145 degree Fahrenheit, C. 154 degree Fahrenheit, D. 175 degree Fahrenheit. The answer is A. 161 degree Fahrenheit. 59. Which of the following is not involved in the fermentation of sauerkraut? A. Leuconostoc mesenteroides, B. Lactobacillus plantarum, C. Leuconostoc delbrueckii, D. Streptococcus faecalis. The answer is Leuconostoc delbrueckii. 60. Enzyme used for the clarification of fruit juice. A. Invertase, B. Pectinase, C. Protease, D. Lipase. The answer is B. Pectinase. 61. Tapping and aroma are maturity indices of A. Jackfruit, B. Watermelon, C. Tomato, D. Mango. The answer is A. Jackfruit. 62. Evaporative cooling system saturated with water is used in A. Onion storage, B. Zero energy cool chamber, C. Cool stores, D. Irradiation. The answer is B. Zero energy cool chamber. 63. W&O emulsions are used in A. Storage of fruits and vegetables, B. Field spray of fruits and vegetables, C. Waxing of fruits and vegetables, D. None of the above. The answer is C. Waxing of fruits and vegetables. 64. The most destructive of all field rats is A. Mus burga, B. Rattus rattus, C. Rattus norvegicus, D. Bandicoota bengalensis. The answer is D. Bandicoota bengalensis. 65. Aflatoxin is the mycotoxin produced by A. Aspergillus flavus, B. Several species of Fusarium, C. Claviceps purpurea, D. Aspergillus clavus. The answer is A. Aspergillus flavus. 66. Khapra beetle is a serious pest of stored. Options: A. Rice, B. Wheat, C. Pulses, D. Fruits. The answer is B. Wheat. 67. Most widely used chronic poison in rodent control. Option: A. Thallium sulfate, B. Barium carbonate, C. Warfarin, D. Zinc phosphide. The answer is C. Warfarin. 68. Calosobrochus chinensis is a storage pest of A. Wheat, B. Rice, C. Fruits, D. Pulses. The answer is D. Pulses. 69. Commercially, the most viable mushroom world over is A. Button mushroom, B. Oyster mushroom, C. Paddy straw mushroom, D. Milky mushroom. The answer is A. Button mushroom. 70. The best disinfectant for the empty store is the use of A. DDVP, B. Aluminium phosphide, C. Malathion, D. Gamma BHC. The answer is B. Aluminium phosphide. Thank you.